Pumpkin seeds, which are also called pepitas, are a tasty snack that is also very good for you in many ways. These little wonders are full of magnesium, zinc, and iron, all of which are important minerals for health. If you want to use pumpkin seeds every day, you could sprinkle them over yogurt or pancakes in the morning. The crunchy texture and nutty taste will make your food more interesting and give you extra nutrients. Making trail mix with pumpkin seeds, dried fruits, and nuts is a quick and healthy way to snack. This snack is easy to take with you and gives you energy on the go. It also meets your needs without making you give up on your health goals. Pumpkin seeds can add a tasty touch to meals. A green salad or grain bowl tastes better with toasted seeds on top because they give it a pleasant crunch and are good for you. For an extra healthy boost, try adding pumpkin seeds to your drinks. You can mix them with your favorite fruits and veggies to make a tasty, nutrient-dense drink that is good for your skin and immune system. Making your own pesto is a creative way to enjoy pumpkin seeds. For a new take on this famous sauce, use pumpkin seeds instead of pine nuts. It tastes great with pasta, grilled veggies, or on sandwiches as a spread. If you want a healthy choice to regular nut butters, try making pumpkin seed butter. It makes a tasty and healthy snack when spread on whole grain toast or used as a dip for apple pieces. Add pumpkin seeds to your best stir-fry recipe to make it more flavorful. The seeds give the food a nice crunch and go well with the tastes of veggies, tofu, or lean protein. If you want something sweet, try pumpkin seed toffee. It's a tasty treat that combines the rich flavors of caramelized sugar with the nutty taste of pumpkin seeds. It can be eaten as a treat or given as a gift to family and friends. Eating pumpkin seeds every day will not only make your food taste better, but it will also help you eat a healthier, more balanced diet. Play around with these ideas to find new ways to enjoy pumpkin seeds' tasty and healthy benefits. Pumpkin seed oil, which is also called pepita oil, comes from pumpkin seeds and can be used in cooking and as medicine. People love it because it tastes great, is dark green, and is good for you in many ways. Here are some facts about pumpkin seed oil. Making pumpkin seed oil. Most pumpkin seed oil is made by cold pressing, which means using machinery to squeeze the oil out of the seeds without using heat. This helps the oil keep its healthy properties and unique taste. Pumpkin seed oil is a nutrient-dense oil that is full of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and important fatty acids. There are a lot of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats in it, as well as phytosterols, antioxidants, and vitamin E. Health benefits. Heart health. The unsaturated fats in pumpkin seed oil, especially omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, can help keep cholesterol levels in check, which is good for heart health. Prostate health. Some studies show that pumpkin seed oil may be good for the prostate and may help men with benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, feel better. To describe the taste, pumpkin seed oil is strong, sweet, and slightly earthy. Because of how strong it tastes, it goes well in salad dressings, dips, and can also be poured over food for a unique taste experience. Fruit and vegetable salad dressings. Pumpkin seed oil is a key ingredient in many salad dressings that make salads taste more complex and savory. Drizzling. For a unique taste, drizzle pumpkin seed oil over soups, roasted veggies, or even desserts. Dips and sauces. Add it to marinades, dips, or sauces to make your food taste better overall. Pumpkin seed oil becomes rancid when it comes into contact with light and heat, so keep it in a cool, dark place to keep its health benefits. For longer shelf life, put it in the fridge. People from all over the world have used pumpkin seed oil for a very long time, especially in Eastern European cooking. In Austria and Slovenia, it is a traditional dish that is often drizzled over pumpkin soup or used to finish off other meals. Pumpkin seed oil is good for you in many ways, but it is also high in calories, so you should only eat a small amount of it as part of a healthy diet. Incorporating pumpkin seed oil into your cooking not only gives your food a unique taste, but it may also be good for your health in many ways. Thanks for watching. We hope you found the video useful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope to meet again with new content.